Eventually, but not today.
Harvard's taking us to the airport. Say good morning.
Oh, baby, no.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, it is so nice to see you, Hubbard.
Baby.
Yeah. So where are we going? Let's say quietly. Yeah, but wait, but say quietly, where are we going?
Treehouse.
Oh. Hey, I have to film now, so please don't judge me, okay? Yeah. Oh, he doesn't even care. Okay, we have arrived at the Rainforest. Yay! I totally forgot to film when we got to Cairns Airport and when we picked up our car and everything. But it probably wouldn't have been that interesting anyway. So that's totally fun. I'll take you on a little tour around the Rainforest. Our little tree house that we've got happening here. What kind of bird is it? Oh! It's called the Tarzali Rainforest. It was 90 minutes drive out of Cairns. And I'm just really, really excited, pardon me, to be around nature, as it were. So this is the living room, and here is our little window, but we need to close it at night so possums don't come in and eat any of our food. This is the one of the bedrooms, and this is the bathroom, which is so cute. Shower and a spa bath. This is our cute little mirror. It's actually like quite a really nice bathroom, like so cute. And full barbecue and kitchen, everything outside. And this is the bedroom we're gonna sleep in. This is one of the smaller tree houses, and it still has 2 bedrooms in it, just because I think a lot of families and stuff come to stay here. So the tree houses take quite a few people, but obviously it's just gonna be me and my boyfriend here. So yeah, this is the view from our bedroom, and there is said boyfriend lying in a hammock down there.
Let that be too much of a distraction from you driving, I'll let you know.
I'm not gonna look at it, baby.
If you are, I'm not gonna let you drive. I'm gonna have to go and walk back.
Oh, and leave me in the car by myself when you think I'm a danger to myself? Oh,
No, this is in danger to you.
You're a really great boyfriend.
No. If I'm caring to tell you shouldn't do this. You shouldn't film like this.
People film in their car all the
Alright, that's
time.
people, bro, but that's not, you don't have the thing to stick it on the glass. That's just gonna slide right when you fucking pull up.
Yeah, I know, but Emma Chamberlain films like this.
You're not Emma Chamberlain, bro. I'm just...
Good morning. Alrighty, it's our first full proper day here in the rainforest. And we went to bed pretty early last night, considering there's no service or internet or anything. We just watched a bit of the Bug's Life. This is our little bed. And that's what I woke up to, which is so nice. I'm obsessed with the forest. There was a fucking huntsman in here last night. It was like yucky, like pale, like fleshy white color. Ugh. Oh my god, sorry. It's disgusting just even talking about it. This is what I'm wearing today. Just some beige pants. I just thought long pants would be good for around here for like long grass and snakes and whatnot. And this little green swimsuit thing. gonna go to a market today and pick up some food for the rest of... steps built into the water and like a stairwell and like a big fence, a viewing fence and stuff, and that's really nice and everything. Like it's good because there were so many families there. Like I'm sure it's really convenient, but I prefer that really like untouched vibe or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's get into our fucking daily practice, guys. Yummy kombucha, strawberry, lemon and ginger. Have a little look-see. Same view as usual. Little bush turkey always visiting. Put out some bird seed just there and a little swing this morning, and the birds like to go swing on it and have a little snacky poo. So today we just spontaneously decided to go to Port Douglas. So I think it took us about 2 hours to drive from the Tablelands down to 4 Mile Beach. We drove down. Fuck off, dude. Anyway. No, we didn't. We drove down the mountain, you dumb cunt.
No, but we're driving up to Port Douglas.
Okay. Whatever. I don't fucking care. Are you taking the piss? Anyway, I'll just show you the beach quickly because it looks really nice. We're just driving past. We just had lunch in Port Douglas, which was randomly like way more of a quaint vibe than what I was expecting. I did think it was gonna be like, I don't know, like more built up and like have heaps more happening. I guess it's actually nice that it still has its little small town charm about it, because obviously if it was all built up and like ruined, that would be really sad. So we're just on the way to Palm Cove. We're just going there on the way back. 4 Mile Beach was nice, but my feet were like burning. The sand was so hot, and we just swam fenced off, roped off area, whatever, which was kind of scary because I was like, what are they trying to keep out, you know, like stuff that would fucking kill me. And then obviously there's been so many shark attacks on the Whitsundays recently that it was a bit scary, but we've been so fine. I haven't even seen a crocodile or anything. I'll try to get some nice footage, but it is really hot, so I don't want my camera to melt, OD on sunlight, you know. So see you guys later. Good afternoon. By the way, I would never say we out here. That makes me fucking sick.
We out here, bro.
We are at the walking track at Wyndham Falls. It should take us a good hour or two to walk down there, but it's looking pretty nice. I'm growing out my underarm hair because I didn't bring a razor with me, so just going full jungle vibes. And you know what, guys? It's actually very liberating. I can't wait to show off these pits when I get down to the waterfall. We've been walking only for like 35 minutes or something. So I assume we have another half hour to go, maybe another hour. Getting pretty tired. I'm feeling a bit dizzy. Like when I'm walking, it's fine. When I stand still, the forest is like, I don't know, maybe if you're on acid or like shrooms or something. But is that just because I'm high on life, or am I like gonna pass out? I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
What are you whispering?
I was just being silly, boo-boo. Oh. Wait, baby, can you just stand still for a second and look at the trees? What do you see? Are they sort of like, is everything moving kind of weird?
No. Why? The wind's blowing a bit.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you need to turn? Do you need to go back?
No, why would I need to
You
go
said
back?
you're like tripping just now. I heard you said.
I just feel a bit dizzy or something.
Yeah, we need. If you need to go back, because we have no more water. Bruh, if you pass out, please. I don't even know how I'm gonna get you back to the people. They're pretty far back.
Sorry for being such an inconvenience.
What are you saying, babe? You need to tell me these things before, you know, before they happen.
Maybe I'm just tripping on life, baby. The Wyndham Falls, baby. We're hanging off the edge of the cliff here. You best believe my boyfriend is scared. Good morning. We're leaving the tree. We're leaving the tree house today. I'm really stressed about the strawberry. I just feel like I organized like nothing. I should have packed and done absolutely everything before leaving for this trip, because I'm gonna get home to meet my friend to go see Khalid in concert. Woo! It's a bit of a fucking disaster, if I'm being honest with you. Rainforest has been so lovely. Definitely sad to leave the tranquility of the forest, you know. Harry Potter in the Goblet of Fire. It's a good one, guys. Guys, get onto it. It's like a 90-minute drive to Cairns Airport, so we should get there around 9:30. And we're gonna hand the car back in. Bye, little car. I'm sad to see you go. I really am, because neither of us have a car back in Melbourne, so it has been so nice. Just like the freedom that comes with having a car and just being able to drive wherever you want, whenever you want. You don't have to ask like mum for a lift or get like a fucking $25 Uber somewhere where you could drive there probably and use like $2 worth of fuel. Like, it's actually so crazy. Like, I definitely have not saved money not having a car, so I need to get onto that ASAP, Rocky bitch.